Hop into the 2021 Hyundai Sonata. Whether you're commuting or cruising country roads, this smooth and spacious Sonata makes travel a treat. Its comfortable cabin with standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance, along with stylish good looks, make this midsize four-door your go-to family sedan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers. Get the modern style and connectivity you crave together with the space and comfort of a family sedan in this striking Sonata. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.